Acceleration and deceleration setting in BC drive. For acceleration time setting, parameter is f0.14. Default setting is 6 seconds. You can set the acceleration time and acceleration time as per your machine requirement. f0.15 for deceleration time. We set here 20 seconds. That's when motor will be stopped maximum frequency to minimum frequency within 20 seconds. f0.03 for frequency source. We set here 1 for potentiometer, keyboard potentiometer reference. Now the drive is in 50 Hz setting. We run the drive and as per acceleration time 10 seconds, motor speed 0 to maximum within 10 seconds. That's mean 0 Hz to 50 Hz. The acceleration time, and now stopping as per the acceleration time 20 seconds. 50 Hz to 0 Hz, it's for the acceleration time 20 seconds, and accordingly motor speed will decrease as per the acceleration time 20 seconds. So as machine requirement, you can set acceleration and deceleration time as required. By set button you can change display, ampere, voltage, hertz and RPM. You can display it by 7 segment display.